with temperatures already reaching the high 90s and early 100s this week. It is time for this long overdue article about Las Vegas pools and prices you should know for your next bikini-clad or speedo-clad dip into Las Vegas pools. Let's dive in. The pools here in Las Vegas are not just places to cool off, they're integral parts of the resort experience. Integral because they make bank. Each pool offers a variety of amenities and at different price points. Here's a comprehensive look at some, not all, of the standout pool areas along the Las Vegas Strip and downtown, including their key features and the costs associated with them. Bellagio. The Bellagio pools are a vision of refined elegance with 5 distinct pool courtyard settings surrounded by Mediterranean-style gardens. Guests can rent luxurious cabanas and daybeds, which include amenities like HD televisions, personalized host service, and chilled towels. Daily cabana rentals start at approximately $500. Wynn Las Vegas. Wynn's pools are surrounded by manicured gardens and offer a serene, adults-only environment. Cabanas here are equipped with flat-screen TVs, mini fridges, and plush chairs, with prices starting at around $400 per day for a standard cabana. Flamingo. Known for its family-friendly environment, the Flamingo features a 15-acre pool with slides and a wildlife habitat. Renting a cabana for a day costs from $150 to $300, depending on the season and specific amenities, which include TVs, refrigerators, and ceiling fans. MGM Grand. The MGM Grand's Wet Republic is a vibrant pool club known for its parties. Daybeds start around $200, while cabanas, offering private dipping pools, TVs, and personalized service, can go up to $1,500 on peak days. Park MGM. Park MGM's pool area offers a more relaxed vibe with 3 different pools and prices for cabanas starting at $250. Amenities include cocktail service, lounge furniture, and raft rentals. Aria. Aria's pool deck is sleek and modern with 3 ellipse-shaped pools and 1 exclusive pool reserved for Sky Suites guests. Cabana rentals start at $300 and include amenities such as a stocked mini fridge, a ceiling fan, and a television. The Palazzo. At the Palazzo, the pool deck features 7 different pools and Italian-inspired cabanas starting at $250. These include amenities like fruit baskets, air conditioning, and flat-screen TVs. Cosmopolitan. The Cosmopolitan's Boulevard pool doubles as an entertainment venue. Daybed rentals start at $200, while cabanas, which feature TVs, fans, and refrigerators, range from $500 to $1,000. Circa Resort. Downtown Circa Resort offers the innovative stadium swim with a focus on sports and entertainment. Access starts at $20 for general entry, with daybeds and cabanas ranging from $200 to over $2,000 based on the size and event day. Each pool experience in Las Vegas is designed to cater to different preferences. Whether you're looking for a party atmosphere, a family-friendly environment, or a tranquil retreat, with a variety of amenities and pricing options, visitors can choose the perfect poolside experience to enhance their stay in Las Vegas. What are your favorites? Share in the comments wherever you see this.